Well, we're all settled into the seaside. Hold on. Well, we're all settled into Long Beach, and I hear the beach calling my name. I don't really want to get up. It's been a long fucking day, but if I don't end it with a beach view, then what the fuck am I doing? So let's go. No, I can't get up. Shit. What did this one? No, what did this one? Yes. Okay. My knee locked. It locked like a motherfucker. Oh, God. Oh, listen. Oh, Jesus Christ. Let's go. I am mentally drained, physically exhausted, spiritually overwhelmed. My knee pops every time I fucking move. But I'd rather be whatever I am on the beach than in a tent. Let's do this. Well, here we fucking go again. God damn it. I fucking hate these. Look at that's pretty. Let's just go. And of course, these fucking mosquitoes. God damn it. It's worth it, Chaz. It'll be worth it. Motherfucker. God damn it. Ladies and gentlemen, I think it was worth it. God fucking mosquitoes. God damn. Okay, we got a little more to go. Much better.